First thing, took them all off. We want to keep them, right? They're all dirty. They got paint on them. So look, we're just going to take them, soak them overnight, and then you'll see how all the dirt will come off of that. Also, caulking tomorrow, what we'll do is just put a little pretty boy in a bucket with a rag. We can caulk and wipe our finger as we go. And pretty boy.
Brand new.
20 grams.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
Pretty boy.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.